In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Stripe to Zoho Books. By the end, your Stripe payouts and charges will flow into Zoho Books via secure bank feeds, so reconciliation gets easier and faster. Start by opening your browser and navigating to books.zoho.com. Sign in to your Zoho Books organization. If you manage more than one, confirm you're in the correct company file before moving on. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and choose Banking. This is the hub where all your financial accounts live in Zoho Books. At the top right of the banking module, click Add Bank or Credit Card. This opens the connection window where Zoho lists the institutions it can connect to. In the automatic bank feeds area, choose Connect Now. You're telling Zoho Books you want to set up a live secure feed rather than importing statements manually. You'll see a short prompt about connecting through a secure channel. Click Proceed to continue. Zoho Books is about to hand you off to the provider so you can authenticate directly with them. Use the search box to look up Stripe. Typing just a few letters should surface the official Stripe connector. Select Stripe from the results. Zoho Books will redirect you to Stripe's sign-in page in a secure window. Enter the email address associated with your Stripe account, then enter your password. Take a moment to double-check that you're using the production account you want to connect for real transactions. When everything looks right, click Submit to authenticate and approve the connection. After you submit, Stripe securely confirms your account and returns you to Zoho Books. Give it a moment. The initial handshake may take a few seconds. Back in the banking module, you should now see Stripe listed as a connected account. If you operate multiple Stripe accounts, make sure the one that appears is the one you intended. From here, Zoho Books will begin bringing in your Stripe activity through the bank feed. The first sync can take a little while depending on how much recent data there is. Once transactions appear, you can review and match them to invoices or categorize them according to your chart of accounts, which will streamline your reconciliation going forward. And that's it. You've linked Stripe to Zoho Books using the built-in bank feed connector, so your payment data can flow in automatically and keep your books up to date.